Om Shri Paramatmane Namah. May the Almighty bless you all with good luck, good health, happiness, peace, and prosperity in your lives. Today, I wanted to discuss about the importance of uh, the different metals for making the jewelry of these astrological gemstones. It is recommended that different astrological gemstones should be worn in different types of metals. Some astrological gems are recommended to be worn in one metal for them to be more effective, and other gemstones are recommended to be worn in some other metal type. So why it is important to wear some gems in some metal, I just wanted to discuss about that in this video. Uh, it is very important to wear these astrological gemstones in a specified metal to give best results, because each metal has different characteristics and capacity to handle different gemstones energies and can enhance or spoil the gemstone's healing energies. Like silver is a metal which supports the energies of gemstones which are cool in nature, like that of pearls, blue sapphires, hazonites, etc. And yellow gold is a metal which is more suitable for gems which are hot in nature, like ruby, red coral, yellow sapphires, etc. Because by nature, silver is a cool metal and gold is a hot metal. The color of the metal here is also important to support the color therapy principles of these healing gems, like the yellow sapphire and ruby, etc., work better color therapy wise in yellow color metals, and pearl, white sapphires, and blue sapphires. They work better color therapy wise in white color metals. So it is very important to wear particular gem in particular metals to give best healing results. Some astrologers also recommend to wear gems in five metals mixed together, or eight metals mixed together, which are called the Panch Dhatu or the Asht Dhatu, to make the rings and these gemstones jewelry. But we personally do not recommend to mix so many different characteristics and nature of metals to wear these astrological gems. We should try to wear these gems in single metal as much as possible, and the purity of the metal should be as pure as possible. You can visit our website purevedicgems.com, and on our website, in the top, there is a link of Navratnas, 9 Vedic gems, the Navratnas. When you visit this link, a page will open where we have given in detail what all metals should be used to make what all gemstones. Like this ruby gemstone, which is the gemstone of planet Surya, Sun, is always recommended in gold or copper, and this pearl gemstone gives better results in metal silver. Similarly, by visiting this page, you can see all the suitable metals of these different gemstones to make your astrological gemstones jewelry to get the best healing effects. Thank you very much.